anniversary of the Manrega scheme, which was inaugurated in Andhra Pradesh under the leadership of Sonia Gandhi, Manmohan Singh and then Chief Minister Rajshekhar Reddy. She accused the BJP of hijacking and distorting the program, even renaming it as VBG Ramji. To counter this, Sharmila announced that the Congress party will launch a massive agitation, including major events in Andhra Pradesh. She revealed that Rahul Gandhi has been invited to participate in these activities, underscoring the party's commitment to defending the original spirit of Manrega and ensuring its benefits continue to reach the poor without political manipulation or distortion.
The 2nd of February 2026 marks 20 years of the Manrega scheme. Exactly 20 years ago, on the 2nd February 2006, under the leadership of Sonia Gandhi, Manmohan ji and Rajshekhar Reddy ji, the then Chief Minister of erstwhile Andhra Pradesh, had inaugurated the Manrega in Andhra Pradesh. Right from Andhra Pradesh was one of the pilot projects, pilot states for this project. So, on the occasion of the 20th anniversary of the Manrega program, and with the background of the Manrega program being hijacked by the BJP, distorting it in every way possible, even changing the name to VB Gram, Congress party has decided to go on a massive agitation, and as part of that, even in Andhra Pradesh, we are planning something big, marking the 20th, beginning with the marking of the 20th year. We are planning on a massive weeks-long or months-long program, and for that we have invited Rahul ji to come on some day or some time possible for him, and he has promised to come and participate in Andhra Pradesh as well.
Which date, ma'am?
Thank you. The date is not finalized yet. Yes. Thank you.